Good morning everyone. Today we'll start with Social Studies Standard 5 Chapter 4, that is Evolution of Writing and Communication System. How it progressed and how it brought changes we have already learnt in this chapter. Now we'll try to solve, tick the correct answers, match the following, fill in the blanks, true, false and question answers. Okay students, as you can see, this is page number 29 of your book. So the first answer to tick the correct answers will be A1 will be B, A2 will be again B, metro cities, A3 will be again B, mass communication, A4 will be number A, that is computers, then A5 will be C, JL bad. That is, you know the full form of it as it is given in your book, John Logie Baird. Then match the following also children you have to do in this way. Newspaper, magazine is print media. Then radio, television, as you know. Number 2 you can see electronic media. Then number 3 laptop is with computer. Number 4 yellow letter box is with state capitals. Number 5 SMS will be with cellular phones. Number 6 Mumbai will be with metro city. Number 7 STD and ISTD will be with telephone. Number 8 speed post will be with postal communication. Number 9 telegraph will be with Samuel Morse, who invented it. Then number 10 short films, they are known as documentaries. Number 10. So number C, you see fill in the blanks. It will be postal communication, most popular method, and then letters which we send to people staying in other countries are known as aerogram. Then mobile phones are also called cellular phones. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. We have already done about them. Then television was invented by John Logie Baird in, what was the date that you need to remember, that is 1926. This is page number 30 of your book, where you will see the D part, where you have to write T for true and F for false. But I'll advise your children during your examination, you better write TRU in full letters. Don't try to write the full word true and write the full word false. Don't try to write T and F. Okay, now D1C, the first book to be printed was, of course, Bible. It is written over here, Mahabharata, so it is false. Like that, children, you go on solving all the true, false, as I have written over here, you can see. Then number E part, that is question answers, you will see in the next slide. Here in this slide, children, you will get all the answers to the questions given in page number 30 of your book. So you have to write it down in your classwork notebook. And children, remember, not only the back part that you are going to learn, but you also have to learn internally, that you have to be very thorough with your chapter, because any question can be asked from anywhere. So you have to be very thorough with each and every part. The blocks also, whatever are given, and the meanings also which are given at the bottom of the page, that also you need to take care of. So you copy it down entirely.